guys, it's Kim, CarSeat Queen here. Today we're here with my new friend JD, who was born a couple days ago. He's adorable, isn't he? I'm going to show you how to put a baby, I know you know how to, but we're going to show you how to put a newborn in a car seat and make sure he's safe. We don't want all those extra, what we call aftermarket materials. So those are the newborn infant inserts and all those things. The only ones you should be using are the ones that are provided by your car seat carrier. This car seat is a British Be Safe. It does have a newborn insert and an infant insert. This little guy fits perfectly with the infant insert, but I'm not going to use it, so I can show you how to make your little guy, little girl, safe in the car seat without the extras. So you don't want anything behind the baby, in between the baby and the straps, other than their clothes. No heavy blankets, no coats, nothing like that. So I'm going to put this little guy in. Hopefully he's not going to cry the whole time. I always make sure the straps are real loose when I first put them in, and then tighten them up. And I see a lot of parents come in that leave their babies like this. This is really not safe. Obviously, the baby's going to go out it. I always pull it tight, tug at the waist to make sure that the side straps, those hip straps are good. And this should not be down here. It needs to go up. And this little guy likes his seats tight. Can't pinch it. It's not going anywhere. And he's spitting up again. Give me the... Thanks. Sorry, guys. I know, guy. I know. I'm so sorry. There we go. But as you see, his head's cocked to the side. Some people don't like that. They want their baby's head straight up, which is an airway thing, a safety thing. So, in this case, we're going to use rolled receiving blankets, like these cute little ones I got off of Amazon. And I just roll them up widthwise, if he'll hold his binky in his mouth. Nope. Okay. And fold them. And there's one. Once I put the other one in, it'll look better. JD, you're okay, buddy. And there's two. That's going to keep his head. There we go, buddy. Nice and not wobbling around and shaking. Sometimes you have a huge gap right here at the crotch strap. If you have a huge strap, JD doesn't. He's a big guy. He was almost 9 pounds. So, if you do have it, take a little washcloth, roll it up. Just fold it in half and roll it up. The baby washcloths are thinner and they work better, but this is for demonstration purposes only, so we'll loosen them up a bit so I can fit it. So if you do have that big gap where the baby's sliding down, still not. You're a big kid. You would just put the washcloth kind of like a U behind it. I'm making him burp finally. He hasn't burped a lot. And then buckle it. That keeps his bottom from sliding down. You're JD. Nice and tight. I know it. Here, I'm sorry. And that's how you do it. Sometimes you'll need a receiving blanket on the side because they're really little, like my kids were really little. And we just put it on each side. So then, like I said, there's nothing behind him. It's everything's around, all the cushioning is around him. And he's not going to be wobbling his head and falling, going back and forth, or his airway's not going to go down. Just make sure when you put him in the car, he's reclined correctly so that his head doesn't flop forward. If you guys have any questions, just drop a line. Bye.